guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, appreciate you stopping by. If you're returning, hey, I appreciate all the love and support. Either way, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, let's go on this journey with Hulk. All right, so today I am doing a product review for PSI, or Polishing Systems Incorporated, locally here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. They're over off of Lovejoy Avenue. So talking with the owner Larry and his guys, so everything they do is locally produced. Larry's basically turned into a chemist. He's done a bunch of research. Used to work for chemical guys and sell their products, and then he saw the light, and now he creates his own products. So today what I'm going to use, it's called the PSI Foamy Wash. It's pink, but I also use another product called Wash and Wax. All right, sorry, I had to take a quick break and talk to none other than Chloe. If you guys haven't checked her out, go follow Slow Civic or Slow Civ 22 on Instagram. It's that toilet right there. Belongs to that one right there. And watch her build come alive over the, I don't know, next 6 months to a year. It's a 2022 Honda Civic. Hey, what model is that? Civic Sport with the 2-liter. Ooh, they don't have a turbo though. Yeah, so reviewing the PSI Foamy Wash. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, so here's the Foamy Wash. Larry just gave me a sample of it, but my next wash will be done with this Wash and Wax. So Kevin from Domino Detailing is an avid user of this stuff, and he's the one that polishes Hulk twice a year. As a matter of fact, he's going to polish Hulk next Friday. So you should see some videos from him on his Instagram and social media. Check him out at Domino Detailing. But without further ado, let's get this wash started. Oh, and I also bought a new foam cannon off Amazon. That's the company. It's the wide mouth. Nothing really wrong with my other foam cannon. Just I wanted the wide mouth so I could get a lot of the suds. So all right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the Foamy Wash does just that. It is super sudsy. So pre-washed or pre-soaped the car. So now I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to wash it with the Wash and Wax from PSI.